Good morning. Welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be making ring number T200034 out of grade 2 titanium. The style is going to be the Outcrop, but I'm going to make it really thin and ultralight. The first thing I need to do is to clean up the face there. So I'm going to get this chucked up and get started. This ring is going to be size 9.5, which is 19.4 millimeters in diameter. So I'm getting a boring bar installed here, and I'll get this bored out to size. Well, I've got it to the right size, and since I've got the boring bar on there still, I'm going to give the inside edge just a little bit of a bevel. So far it's got a nice machined look to it. Now I'm going to work on the outside of the ring. Carve that down. I want the wall thickness to be pretty thin, about 1.5 millimeters. Got that wall thickness about where I want it. What I'm going to do next is finish up the inside of the ring. Going to sand and polish, get it all shiny and pretty. That first polish, it gets it nice and shiny. It starts looking like something. But now is my favorite part. It's time to make an actual ring by parting this off. Beginnings of the ring. I'm going to get this mounted on a ring mandrel and get rid of this burr and give this other inside edge a little bit of a bevel. Then I'm going to pull it off and take it over to the bench sander and cut some facets in it. that burr was more stubborn than usual, but I finally got rid of it. Now I'm going to pull this off and I'll see you over at the bench sander. I'm over at the bench sander and I'm about to cut some facets in this and make some sparks fly. Well, that's looking pretty good. Time to take it back over to the lathe and do some finish work on it. All right, I'm going to get this thing mounted back up on the lathe and do a little bit of filing and sanding on this edge that I haven't done anything with yet. And then I'll do a little bit of polishing, finishing up that inside. And there it is, ring T200034 from the Blue Shack. I think it came out really pretty. I'll have this ring on display and for sale here locally in Sutherland, Oregon at the Salty Heifer. Stop on in, say hi to Summer, and see some of her fantastic leather work as well. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all next time at the Blue Shack.